Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. Today I got the privilege of showing you the 19 SPX, brand new to the lot, blue in color. This boat does come with the trailer as well. Perfect pleasure boat for those who want to go to the islands, restaurants, sunset cruises. It is pure pleasure all the time. Beautiful boat. Let's look inside. All right guys, starting here in the cockpit of the 19 SPX by Sea Ray. First and foremost, the boat is powered by a 150 Mercury. Plenty of horsepower for a 19-foot boat. Again, will do anything you like to. If you're into a little bit of water sports as well, you can do that with this boat. Something that's often overlooked, not asked enough, is about storage. The Sea Ray does offer you a ton of storage, and you'll see that throughout the boat. Rear, in the middle of the cockpit here, your ski locker, and up front as well. You got the adjustable co-pilot chair. You can seat aft or forward facing. Captain's chair to your right. The boat is equipped with Simrad electronics. It's going to give you your maps, your graphs, depth, and all that goes along with that to give you a nice, safe and comfortable ride. Up front, you've got the bow filler cushion. This turns your entire bow into a lounge, if you will, and a new little aspect that Sea Ray has come out with is a backer, so you can trap the kids in if you like. But either way, a great boat to look at. Really very, very popular boat here in this region, again with Shell Island, Crab Island not too far away. Come give me a shout. My name's Carl at MarineMax. I look forward to showing it to you.